Good day guys. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the area of circles when the circumference is given. All right, let's get right to it. Now, first of all, guys, how do we go ahead and find the area of circles? So we know the area, so area of circles is pi r square, where r stands for the radius, right? R is equal to the radius. But in this question, guys, we see that we don't know the r, right? We don't know what's the radius, but we are given the circumference. So using the circumference of a circle, we can find the radius, right? So let's write the formula of circumference. We know C is equal to 2 pi r, correct guys? So using the circumference formula, we can go ahead and find the radius first, all right? So let's substitute the values, guys. So we know 42 is equal to 2 pi r. Now moving 2 to the other side, we have 42 divided by 2 is equal to pi r. Now 21 is equal to pi r, right guys? Now moving pi to the other side, we have 21 over pi is equal to the radius. Now let's say in this question, we're going to take the value of pi as 3.14. All right guys, so we have 21 over 3.14 will give us the radius. Now if you plot that in the calculator, you're going to get the radius is going to give approximately 6.87. So we know it's going to give us 6.87 meter. Okay, so we have found the radius now. Now once you have found the radius, we can substitute the value in the area formula to find our area. So what do we have? Area is equal to pi r square, right guys? Equal to pi r square, which is equal to pi times the radius is 6.87, so it'll be 6.87 square. Now here's where many of my students make mistakes, guys. So instead of multiplying 6.87 with 6.87, they just do 6.87 times 2, which is wrong. So let me write it down like this. So pi times 6.87 times 6.87. Okay, we're going to multiply the same number 2 times. So plot that in a calculator. We have pi or 3.14 multiplied with 6.87 times 6.87 will give us 47.1969. Now using the help of a calculator, if you multiply that, guys, we're going to get 148.19. All right, so if you round it up to one decimal place, it will give us approximately 148.2. And don't forget the unit, guys. In area, the unit will be meter square or square meter. All right, guys. Now, if you understand this video, don't skip the full video yet, because in question number 2, we'll be using another method to solve and find the area. So in question number 2, guys, we are given the circumference again, but they want us to find the diameter first. Okay, we got to find the diameter first, and then we are going to go ahead and find the area. Okay, so again, what is the formula? So in circumference, guys, there are two formulas. We can either use C is equal to 2 pi r, or we can use C is equal to pi d. Okay, now since they want us to find the diameter, we can go ahead and use the pi d formula, right guys? So let's substitute the value. So 12 is equal to pi d. Now 12 over pi is equal to d, which is the diameter. Now let's say the value of pi is 3.14. So 12 divided by 3.14 is going to give us the diameter, right guys? Now 12 divided by 3.14 is going to give, so the diameter will be approximately 3.82 meters. Okay, so we have gone and found our diameter, but in order to find the area, guys, we must know the radius. So because the area, we only have one formula, which is pi r square. So we must know the radius, but we can find the radius when we know the diameter, right? The radius is diameter divided by 2. So we have 3.82 divided by 2, which is going to give us 1.91 meter. So now we have found the radius, which is 1.91 meter, right guys? So let's substitute in the value here. So we have 3.14, which is the value of pi, multiplied with 1.91 square. All right, 1.91 square. Again, 1.91, let me write it down, is same like 1.91 times 1.91, right? We're multiplying the same number twice. Now 1.91 times 1.91 is going to give us 3.14 times 3.6481. Right, guys, 3.6481. Now, again, using the help of a calculator, we are going to get 11.45. If we just write the two decimal places and round it up to 1, we're going to get approximately 11.5 centimeter square. All right, guys, approximately 11.5 centimeter square. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to click on that like button and comment below, guys, what question you want me to solve next. Until next time, guys, have a nice day.